Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Discord stream resolution and lag. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to user settings and then you're going to go to voice and video. Now you're going to scroll down until you see, alright, you see this part. Now this is usually checked on, but I have already checked it off, so check that off. Now usually when this is checked on, it's using your GPU to stream. So maybe your GPU can't handle streaming your monitor and playing a video game at the same time. So when you uncheck this, you're actually making your CPU do all the job, and this should potentially fix your problem. So anyways, that's it for today's quick little tutorial. If it helped you, leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer. Anyways, have a nice day.